Basically, the SCADE summer welding program is students that are just finished their junior year, that are going into their senior year. And what this program entails is STC curriculum, STC dual enrollment classes. It differs from the regular the classes that they've taken before by that they get college credit for these classes. By the time they finish out, they will have 29 college credit hours. So it's an excellent for these students to get all this practice in and these college credit hours.
Everything as we're going, they get super excited. Like for example, right now in the summer, we start with shielded metal arc. In the fall, we introduce them to gas metal arc, which is MIG. So every semester, they're doing something different. It's a different process of welding.
Favorite aspect of welding is definitely going off to competition. Especially when you win, you get that sense of joy and pride that you earned it. All that hard work finally paid off. So it's a pretty fun experience when we go compete up at TSTC Technical College, University of Kingsville, and this past year we also made it to state, going up to Sam Houston University to go weld. So it was a pretty fun experience.
Usually at every welding competition, there's always some kind of company recruiting or something like that, or just seeing what's out there. I tell them these are the guys you need to network with, talk to them. Even though it might not be a career, maybe they have other career options in that company where you can kind of start making connections there, and they can see, oh, you were that kid that went over there and was competing. It helps them grow a lot of leadership events, a lot of skill. We go through Skills USA and also FFA, applied engineering and stuff like that, which all has to do with the welding aspect of it.
I mean, welding is a very important skill to have, especially nowadays. There's not a lot of people that want to do it. It's a lot of hard work, don't get me wrong, but in the end, if you do go into a career with welding, it will pay very well.
If you're creative, if you like to work with your hands, if you like to work in general, doors are open for everybody, Mission High School, collegiate, veterans. There's room for everybody here.